Today, President Joe Biden addressing representatives from around the world at the United Nations Climate Change Conference. It's an event for negotiators to come together in order to find solutions to our climate issues. President Biden telling the conference the United States is following through on its commitments on climate change made at last year's conference in Glasgow. Biden touting the passage of his Inflation Reduction Act, which included close to $370 billion for climate and clean energy programs. The bipartisan infrastructure law, which also provided billions for climate initiatives, and now a new rule from the EPA targeting methane pollution from existing oil and gas wells nationwide. The agency says the rule would decrease methane emissions 87% from the peak levels in 2005.
The climate crisis is about human security, economic security, environmental security, national security, and the very life of the planet.
Summit, some developing nations went so far as to demand financial aid for irreversible damage already caused by climate change. The president has announced more than $11 billion to help countries adapt to the impacts of climate change, but many say it is still not enough.